In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Turo and Zipcar, two popular car sharing services. Understanding their differences is essential for anyone considering an alternative to owning a vehicle. Let's start with Turo. Turo allows you to rent cars from individual hosts. Unlike traditional rental companies, this peer-to-peer sharing service provides a unique blend of options with cars available worldwide, including in the US, Canada, and the UK, among others. One of the standout features of Turo is its wide range of vehicles, catering to various tastes and needs, from economy cars to luxury models. There's no membership required with Turo. You simply pay per trip, making it an excellent choice for occasional use. Another aspect to consider is Turo's insurance options, which are offered through its own protection plans, giving you peace of mind while on the road. Turo is ideal for road trips, special occasions, or vacation travel when you're looking for that perfect ride. Now, let's shift our focus to Zipcar. With Zipcar, you rent cars directly from the company's fleet. This can be particularly convenient as Zipcars are primarily located in cities and around university areas, making it easy to access a vehicle when you're in need. Unlike Turo, Zipcar provides standard cars, such as sedans, hatchbacks, and small SUVs suited for everyday use. However, you will need a paid membership, which can be either monthly or yearly. This membership includes insurance, gas, and maintenance in the rental price, creating a straightforward experience without the worry of additional costs. Zipcar is tailored for short trips, running errands, or daily commuting, especially around the city where having a car at your disposal can be incredibly useful. Let's talk about the key differences between the two services. Turo stands out for its flexibility and offers unique cars without charging membership fees, allowing you a pay-as-you-go model. If variety and freedom are what you're after, then Turo could be the right choice. On the other hand, Zipcar is designed for quick, local, short-term use. Its service is simple and fast, but it does require a subscription. This makes it an excellent option if you need reliable transportation with everything conveniently bundled together, like insurance and fuel. To summarize, if you're someone who craves freedom, a wide array of vehicle options, and the flexibility to pay only when you need a car, Turo is your go-to option. Meanwhile, Zipcar offers the ease of city driving with included benefits like insurance and maintenance at a fixed price, which might be perfect if you prefer a more convenient all-in-one solution.